This is an interesting lecture. So here in this lecture, I will teach you how to subtotal different departments or different portions or portions options. So here, suppose you want to have a subtotal from different departments. Here I have listed the HR department and accounts department, and you want to know what is the subtotal for HR department, what is the subtotal for accounts department. And it is very important when you take decisions from department to department, and if you evaluate the performance of different departments. So here at first we need to select the data, and then from the data menu we will from the data menu we'll go to the subtotal options. So here there will be some options to fill in. So here in this dialog box you can see that at each change in department name, salary, so here we want the at each change in department, so department wise total, and then add subtotal to. So when you want to add the subtotal to, so here we want to add the subtotal to the under salary. So after clicking here, so you can click the page break between groups, so I don't need this one. So replace current subtotals and summary below data. So after filling in this dialog box, you just click on the OK button, and then within a fraction of second you can get the subtotals for here. I can show you the subtotal for HR total is 26,600, and the subtotal for accounts is 16,900. By this way you can take critical decisions or department wise decisions, and you can evaluate performance very easily.